Hey, traders. Happy Monday. Starting stream Bitcoin. Bitcoin that is up, 9% right now. Was up over 10% earlier. Minor pullback, no big deal. Main thing, you're back above 52,172. Fantastic. Kind of amazing, right? The recovery the Bitcoin had going into the end of the close yesterday, where it fell literally finally for the first time actually hit a 78% retrace from that low February 28th to the all-time high. That's amazing. That is like literally the pattern completion zone of the bullish cipher. Normally you don't react like this. I mean, oftentimes it'll hold on for a while before eventually going higher, but man, that was like perfect. I don't even think Bitcoin had hit a 78% retrace on the 23rd when it dumped the first time. That's what's so crazy about it. So that was like your literal first time ever hitting a 786. And, so what does that mean? That means like, okay, reaction. There's no confirmation yet. This asset, Bitcoin could go down to 50K again, 50,300 to backtest that. Or the high I just talked about, 52,172, which was like created February 17th. But it was the old neckline of the inverse head and shoulders back from early March that did in fact play out. So you're now back above some dangerous areas that you didn't want to be below. You're above them now. That's amazing, man. So divergence in the end technically played out, right? In the end. And so impending price action reversal, yes, it happened. Okay. There were other things going on too, right? There was like definitely some sort of supply line here. You broke a supply line. Wonderful. Bullish engulfing candle. Follow through price action. Great stuff. The daily's amazing, man. The daily's like, hey, 4-line strike. Just kidding. 3-line strike, but for real. Look at this, man. It's just nuts. I mean, you're about to, right now where you are, past 4 days of selling, completely bought back up. You're where you started at the beginning of April 22nd. It's incredible, dude. So, could just be the beginning. This could be a buying signal. Like a daily bullish engulfing candle that strong is huge, man. At a level that you understand where reactions could occur. We talked about towards the end of the stream yesterday, this wave will end at some point. You don't know when exactly, but how convenient for the bullish cipher, right? And when it ends, right? When we said when this wave ends and a new wave begins, which could be happening now, ethereum probably going to see 2,500. It's seen 2,500, right? The outperformer. Remember we're talking about Ethereum and Bitcoin chart, Wyckoff accumulation, phase E right now, phase DE. Like it's the next thing that has to happen on Ethereum and Bitcoin is the major markup, which that means that this thing's going to outperform the crap out of Bitcoin. So, and that's certainly happening, right? Where we know right now, even now, with such a great day for Bitcoin, the asset Bitcoin is still 20% below its all-time highs. 20% below all-time highs. And you now have Ethereum currently as it stands, only a mere 4.67% away from its highest level ever. Incredible. So the first thing a lot of y'all will be asking, I know what's going on in your head. You're like, hey man, is that a head and shoulders, dude? We're screwed. It's like, I don't know about that, man. The way where Bitcoin is, where it's reversing, if it was going to reverse here, I don't think it's going to be long, right? I guess we could go to the Bitcoin chart. Let's go back to like 2019 and I'll show you something and you'll be like, you were asking the same question way back in June of 2019, okay? You were. Well, not you, but there were some people. It was before this happened, right? So let me show you here. What does this look like? This is Bitcoin back 2019, okay? Dude, head and shoulders, is it getting ready? Are we gonna reverse, dude? Wow, what's going? All right, Ethereum's now at its highs of the day. Highest high since the 22nd. What is going on? So, right, you think, oh man, it could be like this is Ethereum right now. Okay, what I'm looking at, nah, dude, nah, probably not a head and shoulders going on right now. We'll see. It could always happen. What has to happen? You want to break to all-time highs. You get back into price discovery mode, you go to $3,000. Right, that's a great way. Invalidate the head and shoulders idea by breaking above 25.50, where you're approaching right now. That's all it has to happen. Pretty easy. Feeler, yeah, Elon. Elon definitely sold a little bit of Bitcoin. What, like 10% of their what they put in, which is fine. They sold it like 52K. All right, whatever. They still have a substantial amount of Bitcoin, more than any of us in here, right? So yeah, you could say potential idea, but there's no hidden bearish divergence. There was no classic bearish divergence even on the highest high on the head. I mean, there's just, all you have is a potential structure alone. That's it, in a really, really bullish trend right now. But yeah, you do want to understand that, like, this beautiful channel Ethereum's been in, you're near the top of it for the third time. But if, like, these market conditions, right, Bitcoin actually reverses at the pattern completion zone of the cipher, and it's going to actually run, I mean, there's no way Ethereum is held back, especially looking at that Ethereum to Bitcoin chart. So great day. Ethereum's also up 9% today. Wonderful. Many altcoins up substantially. XRP up nearly 30%. Finally, that descending broadening wedge breakout occurred, and it's been real nice. Real nice across this market, where a lot of assets hit 88% retraces, 113%. We have a lot of bats and a lot of sharks going on across the markets. Well, across the crypto market, all right? So Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, still no breakout. Still no breakout of this really nice looking falling wedge, or almost falling wedge, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. You want 5. Still though, right? I mean, this is great. This is a bullish trend. This is the pause in the trend. This is a very moderate retrace, 61% retrace from that previous low to high. I mean, bullish divergence has begun to play out some, and if Bitcoin continues its ascent, Litecoin's going to catch the bids too. This asset's also up 9%, not as flashy, not as many frills as some of the other assets across this market, but it's still nice. Wow, man, resilient Bitcoin today, like. Or just about an hour ago, 1 hour ago, Bitcoin was at $52,650. Well, now it's pretty much at $54,000. So, ooh, we're swinging. So yeah, let's go to XRP. There's the breakout. That supply. Remember that frickin' fake out? It looked good. Then Bitcoin crapped out, and so did XRP. But look, what'd you do? 200 moving average test of once, twice, engulfing candle, right? A literal bullish engulfing candle breakout. And look at the follow through. You broke not just above the supply line, you also at the same time had a technical candle high close above that old high from April 6th, right? What happened on the next candle? It back tested that old high that was once resistance is support, and so rally since, and 150 is the next area, and then really eventually $2. I mean, you're talking, hey, how do you measure a move? What is the measured move of a descending broadening wedge? It is not like an inverse head and shoulders. It's not like a falling wedge, ascending triangle. It's different according to Bulkowski. Ascending or descending broadening wedges, their measured moves are literally the top of the structure, the beginning. Or if you're talking about ascending broadening wedges, same thing. 100% measured move is the bottom of the structure. So that means the upside is immense on XRP, if we're just going by Bulkowski. Now, if you're going to be more conservative, you want to use Fibonacci or something that's high to the low point structure. I mean, like talking like 618's 155. If you were playing divergence down here, 786, 173, 184. I don't know, man. $2 a target, and I think after that, 226, and then like the 260, but really 276 eventually in XRP, which is like pretty much the all-time high. So the highest level where traders set it up on the weekly. So good stuff on XRP. What a run, up 30% today, roughly 27.57%. Nice. No, Thomas Bulkowski. Thomas N. Bulkowski. So there are other things developing, man. Like major ones. Alright, how about this? How about basic attention token? How about this? A bat. A bullish... I'm sorry. This is not a bullish bat. This is a bullish nothing. This is like a mix between a shark and a bat, I guess, right? It's not a bat, because it, like an 886 is the bat. Oh, it's the bullish alternate bat, excuse me, alternate bat, where you have about a 38% retrace on B. The alternate bat's characteristic is a zone between an 886 and a 113% retrace. This went to a 111%, 112% retrace forward. Fine, that's good. Scott Carney talks about the alternate bat between the 886 and 113%, anywhere in between. And he says oftentimes it'll go to a 100% retrace before reversing. Well, this is certainly reversed once, and it's kind of trying to show that confirmation low. The divergence was there, like it was across this market, right? One valley, and then another valley. You know, for now, that's pretty good. Pretty nice structure right there. The alternate bat pattern. So, I mean, upside 142 and 166 on this one, all right? Bat. The bat on bat action, all right? Bat on bat crimes. That's not it, though. I mean, dude. Binance Coin, the bullish, another mini bullish alternate bat pattern manifested into the lowest low, a new higher low, and now you're rallying again. That's okay. It's up 4.2%, not much. But anything above $500, psychological major support resistance, dude. Anything above $500, the promise of $1,000. I mean, it could be there, right? That's just how psychological resistance works. So stay above $500. That's all you want on BNB, okay? And we know eventually the idea of the crazy structure, the deep retrace on B and the higher low, yep. The deep crab pattern that would take Yi all the way up to eventually $769 pattern completion zone on the bullish, potential bullish alternate bat, where it seems like you're at this point. As long as BNB just keeps making higher lows than this 453 area, the new wave is valid. This idea is valid, okay? So, but that would be the target eventually. $769, $770, all right? Very strong. Very, very strong asset. So look at that total. Remember we had that like wedge, and it had some price action below that demand line, but I mean, yeah, traders set it up. I mean, wooden engulfing candle, right? So it's still just trying to maintain that. You gotta wonder if like just we should clean it up a little bit. It didn't have a harmonic. It's been too strong, like way too strong. This is like not. This is better than the Bitcoin chart. Why? Because altcoins have been just outperforming the living crap out of this. So I'm just wondering here, like, oh my goodness, why did I not do this before? I don't know, just looking at look at that, man. That's really nice. So what does that mean? If it's a channel and it's back inside the channel, you could always come back test the demand line. But man, the upside, like $2.5 trillion. Interesting.
Jerome Powell super chatted $49.99. Can you take a look at QTT? Looked like a bullish cipher, but D went to 0.886. Would it still be valid?
Jerome Powell, thanks for the $50 super chat. Yeah, we'll look at QTT. Yep. Oh, also there's a new variation. I don't know. I posted it in Discord, but you know you can tip $6.66 or $66.66 with Stream Elements or crypto, and it's a new emoji ball for Cardano, and then you can also tip with Super Chat if you want that variation, $39 to $49. Just saying. So if you were gonna tip, like, you could have just tipped instead of $50 right there, you could have just tipped like $49 or something. Yeah, you were like 99 cents off that variation, Jerome. So thanks, dude. QTT. Yeah, man, we'll look at it. Good God, dude. Stonks. Stonks go up. Just ridiculous. Look at the S&P 500, man. Just incredible. You know, hasn't hit that 4,200 yet, but briefly today hit all-time highs. And it's just been pulling back. It's been sideways, right? Up 0.18%. So there's no edge really on the 4 hours. Just well, no, it's just bullish convergence. Bullish convergence. So earnings season's out. I don't know how that's gonna go. Tesla reported today. But man, it's been tough with all these different crypto charts, the way they've all been turning around, and that's what I wanted to focus more on today, since there's just been so much price action. It's been so nice. Dow Jones, no, I did not hit all-time highs today. Just floating along, man. Just absolutely insane. After it broke out, I'm probably just gonna mess with this. You got the XIC, the QQQ, man. Amazon, rumors of a split. Yep, man. Look at the Nasdaq. This is what we're talking about. You got your reaction at the 886. You pulled back. You back tested what was once resistance as support. You're going again, and now you are just. I mean, this week, the Nasdaq Composite could see all-time highs. Right, I'm at an alert. When I hear the beep, it's all-time highs.
Look at all my colors.
So Cardano, thanks for the $6.66. Thank you, dude. Yeah, and then you get a bigger variation of that at the 66.66. Repeating, of course. Thanks, dude.
Peace.
So Dow Jones, things I thought. Yep. So it could be reaction. I just don't know, man. Like, if earnings are good, there's no way this thing could perform. It will just probably get violated. It's getting violated by breaking all-time highs and going further. So the positive memo has only begun to build, and on this one, still a little convergence. But if you go to the QQQ is showing actual hidden bullish divergence really well. Very, very strong. Remember we were talking about on the Qs here. The eventual target, $363, and this is like how we're getting there, or like at least one way we're getting there. A part of how we're getting there is like sellers are exhausted, an implied continuation, and you know, very close to all-time highs. You know, you had all-time highs on the 16th, about 10 days ago. So it seems like if this keeps up, earnings are good. Or you got a lot of, I think a few of the big players on the Qs reporting tomorrow. 363. Okay, gold mean ratio, pattern completion zone, bearish crab pattern. Nice. Okay. All right, so real quick, let's look at golds that is still just very close, man. Very close. I just want to see this asset get above 1800. Okay, 1800 is a huge deal. You're just below it, and it's a congestion area, so congestion could occur for a while, like churning up and down. But it's just wonderful to see us back inside of that range, that zone. So eventually, you want to get above 1800, then you'll see the supply line would be the next level of adversity at like 1840, 1850. And then that's where you think, I mean, I really do think that silver and gold are their 250 plus day correction in an otherwise multi-year bull run is coming to a close. That correction's coming to a close, and we got like a weekly, monthly cup of handle You got unlimited money printing more than ever, and so like I think that these suppressed assets will catch bids again. Yep. Very nice. Silver, wonderful. Sorry, I got like double plotting. I was on different time scales when I did it. Yeah, lots of accumulation. That $26 area, you know, you're just right around it. This is it, man. Like, it could come down and it could make an awesome inverse head and shoulder. I mean, an awesome trade set, like an incredible, legendary potential trade setup if it ever came down to $25 again to complete that potential structure. You may not. I'm just telling you, like, layering into silver is like, that's what one would want to do if they wanted to reaccumulate with the composite operator himself. So this is crazy, crazy good, crazy bullish. Strong like ox. Okay, target's eventually $31, $35. Yeah. Again, 250 plus days of sideways price action. It's actually better than gold in ways because there's been so much demand on silver that it couldn't keep making lower lows once that bottom came in on September 23rd, right? That's the psychology of it. Too much demand. So the market participants are accumulating, where on gold it hasn't been the case. And to boot, I think you have like some sort of cipher or something. It might be a little too deep, a little scuffed, or a shark. Let's see here. Yeah, a little deep on that wick, but if you go with just the candle close, dude, that's like a little shallow there. You got an XABCD, which is pretty nice. So, too much demand. Very nice. What's up, Kay? Thank you for the 20. Sure. Yeah. Yeah. Silver. Be on the lookout. I'm just telling you. Whatever. Alright, so I guess we'll get to the 2 requests I think we had. Yep, the 2 requests. QTT. Interesting. Kind of. Very interesting. Oh, yeah, man. I like this. My man. What a great request. Now, terrible, you know, like kind of history, but where you are, very good. Momentum shift. Oh, I love it, man, because it's 1 valley, 2 valley, 3 valleys. It's like a bullish 3 drives pattern. And it's, you know, kind of taken off, but where you are, anything above 221 at this point is golden. Beautiful. All right, so bullish cipher, as he said in the Texas speech. XA, B. Oh yeah, man, that meets the criteria. Dude, that is so you call it a shark, all right? You call it a cipher. That initial reaction happened at the 786 right here, but it eventually meandered on down to the 886, which is okay. So shark, cipher, this is incredible. All right, absolutely gorgeous. Trade setup worthy in ways. Okay, very easy to size at risk, where you know you don't want anything to do with this asset below 221, or at least $2 that where it hit, you know, that 886 and actually reversed. But like the rule of 3, man, you look at enough of these charts, right? So it's just like some sort of 3 drives, 1, 2, and then 3. Oh man, it's beautiful. All right, the upside potential, I mean, you think's immense. I mean, I would say your first target's 399 to 434 at these levels. It's up 2.4% today. So yeah, again, just a stop somewhat below D. It makes it so easy. It's tough to, you know, justify taking profit at 399. I mean, that is 2.94 to 1 reward risk. That's pretty close to what we need. We need 3 to 1. You know, 2.9 to 1 is good enough, right? I mean, that's just that resistance from October 2019, another reversal point from July 2020. Now, if you were going the KC Stubbs targeting way, you would not even take profit there. You take profit at A, and you take profit at C of the harmonic, the tops. So 489 and 561 will be your targets on QTT. Very nice. This is what dreams could be made of, man. All right. That's a great look, man. And then if you wanted to get a third target, it's pretty simple, right? Just that one crazy peak up there. Yeah, look at that. That low from October 2018 and the high from February of last year. Okay, third target, and boom. 1, 2, 3, 652. So if that's the case, you're taking profit like that, then you could loosen the stop up, right? You could go down a little bit more.
Noise!
Just in case.
Can you check out Ride? Thanks, dude.
Sure, thanks. There it is. Now, got any help on the 4 hour? Good God, chat. This is like a buying signal. It's like, it's time to enter. One would be entering if they wanted to take a low risk, high reward opportunity. The rule of 3. Look at the RSI bullish divergence in the 4 hour. Yeah, that is beautiful, man. This is like an NFT. If this hits the targets, we're NFTing this. It's going to be like a signature, you know, like, hey, man, he just made the shot, dude. Michael Jordan won the big game. Okay, well, QTT won the big game. All right, if this plays out, this is wonderful, dude. All right. Rewarded for watching the stream. Yep, you get rewarded for watching the stream sometimes like this, I would hope. If not, I don't know why you're watching, right? So you got, it's not trend analysis, it's harmonic patterns, it's technical indicators, and it's kind of chart patterns with that third valley, that kind of 3 drive stuff. So potential 3 drives. Very nice, man. It's out of the gate. You meet the minimum criteria for volume, barely. 1.66 million volume daily, so. Oh yeah, had a few new patrons join. Ray, Emmanuel, F. Thank y'all for joining Patreon. It's late in the month, man. There's only like, 4 or 5 days left. And, the price will be going up. You can get grandfathered into the Patreon if you plan on renewing monthly. So where you're only paying $130 a month, but if you join for the first time next month, you'll be paying $150 a month. So, welcome to inflation. Also, Christus C, thank you so much for joining the annual Patreon. Oh, you augmented from monthly to annual. Thank you. Big hi in the chat for Christus C. Thank you, dude. All right. You've been warned. Certainly been warned on this one. Alright, the next and only request. Sweet. Guess I'm getting out of here early, whatever. Well, in this one it's I identified the crab pattern, the bullish crab that had never hit the PCZ. It looks like it may not get to that the actual PCZ. It got to the 1414, hit a reaction, and it's kind of like confirmation low, and it's been running. It CLOV, if it ever gets back above $10, that's when things get real bullish. So it's tough, man, because you're like, it didn't get there quite. It got to a 148% retrace, not a 161% retrace. So you just gotta think. I mean, maybe it doesn't get down there again, but because of this, right? The reaction low, and then potentially that reversal low. You got But at the same time, it's only back testable as one support. as resistance and pulled back, but it's still looking strong, still making higher lows, up 5% today. That's the big breaking point. I mean, you break 1030, you're going up to 1255, 1326 very fast. So that's your CLOV. All right. Christus, were you the guy that promised that you would join annual Patreon if Cake hit the targets of the setup? Someone did that. I can't remember who it was, but thank you, dude. The Cake. Yeah, we're making an NFT of that Cake trade setup, man, for sure.
Noise! If I missed it, sorry for the rework. Lol, could we look at Vandust daily cut with handle? Breakout / backtest. Hidden bullish divergence, both oscillators.
What? An S coin's starting to show an edge again? Yeah, some of these coins are doing that, man.
It was me. You are welcome.
Oh yeah, Matthew, was that you, dude? You joined Patreon annually? Thank you, dude. Well, no one had said it, right? No one admitted to it, like that they had done it or something. So thank you, man.
Noise! Can we have a look at Bond USDC? Thanks, Mitch.
BK Blitz, thanks, dude. Yup, we'll look at it.
Noise! Link, please.
Yes, Doobie, yes, we'll look at it. You got some artists coming my way. I'm excited.
The Cake set up.
You know the Cake set up, Matthew Well. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, I was responding to you that way. I was talking about Cake. It was you, yeah. Maybe it wasn't. I don't know, dude. Thank you, man, for the super chats. Join the annual Patreon, and then we just had Loot Patient, who just rejoined the Patreon to get in before the increase of how much it cost on the 1st of May. Thank you, dude. Right in the chat. So this could be it for a CLOV, man. It's like at the same time, it's kind of tough because it's like it didn't actually hit the PCZ, right? But now it's like almost like, hey, you got 1 valley, 2 valley, 3 valleys. What the heck? Got classic accumulation going on CLOV. This could be it, you know. It very well could be it. So again, if you were targeting, you know what it has to do. If it does that, if it breaks that $10 area, it's going to like $13. Above $13 is the top of the pattern, like $16, $17. Okay, on CLOV. Interesting structure. It could be a time for an actual real reversal. A wave, a new wave is being ushered in. Same time, right? You do have to consider, like just saying, because it didn't hit that PCZ, so you got to be a little, right? Whatever. You got to be a little cautious, just because who knows? You know that could happen, or he does hit the PCZ eventually. So you have to ask questions on CLOV. That you're looking for the harmonics where you don't have to think about it at all. You know without a doubt it's a shark or a bat or something, right? CLOV, there is a question. Right, anyway. Right, certainly at can't get much worse.
Nothing beats Cake and bake.
Crypto artist, thanks for the 666. That's right, nothing beats the Cake and bake. Cake and bake. Cake is definitely Ricky Bobby, for sure. So yeah, anything above 955 is good news, right? You caught a reaction, you filled a gap, and that's about it. A back test of 955 could be incredible. You just think about, you know, just eventually whatever it does, this could be spectacular. Right, a spring has occurred. You're looking for the back test of the spring. Oh, all kinds of divergence, man. Yeah, just kept hitting upper solitaire. Eventually, you actually got it right. 4 hour anyway. See if we can get anything on the daily. Yep, daily had it too. I barely even have to adjust. I'm gonna create myself, dude. I'm limited on the lines I can draw because I have so many charts with data. You actually do end. You reach the end of the earth on TradingView. If you didn't know, you do. Yes. Like you'll literally, if you have so much work on so many different charts, TradingView will not allow you to save anymore. So just keep that in mind. Okay. Anyway, so some of that divergence going on. Nice rally up almost 3% today. You technically, look, break, hook, and goad. Wow, man. Like the daily kind of had the spring back test of spring, didn't it? So just like layering into these zones, these levels, man, like the upside could be unreal, dude. I'm thinking like if it stays above 955 long enough, goes to 11 bucks, tests that high from July 2020. If it breaks that, I know there's that $13 area, but I think it would probably be running up to $15. You ever break $15, man? Look at the price actions, like kind of like straight up, straight down, straight up. Kind of straight down, you stopped at 18 bucks, rallied, and then dumped again. So this is one to have on the watch list for sure. It's gotten obliterated. It lost 100% of its value, right? It hit an all-time high of 3170 just in mid-February. Okay, February. It's April, about to be May. Or it's like, you know, what is it? It lost like two-thirds of its value. Yeah, lost, actually, more than that, lost 72% of its value, excuse me. But guess what? There are gap fills. There are a lot of gaps. So, like one gap, two gaps, three gaps, like 4 or 5 gaps to fill up there. So, yeah, you could look at it like a shark. I mean, kind of. If you use this low here, I know you'll talk about down here, but let's just mess with it, okay, and see. Is this 113% retrace, or is it a little deeper? It's a little deep, yeah. 113% retrace would have been like right here. So it's still kind of sharkish in ways. This is like reaction territory, dude. You know it. So yeah, great request on RIDE. One to keep on your watch list because it certainly could be what could be considered a lower risk area. Yeah. Take a position, and then you got targets like 11 bucks and $15, and after $15, I mean, dude, it could legit see $30 again. Yeah, nice one. Band. Band on the daily on this one. Is it a cup with handle? A little scuffed, right, for that. Where is it? It's right, dude. It's right where this is, man. Right where traders settled up their highest point back here. It's exactly where it is, man. Holy crap. Right there, that first touch, August 9th. Everything after that correlated to it, right? Hey, what's up, Gavin, man?
Gavin Crown tipped $25. $50,000 for you, my man. For $5,000 Ethereum by the end of May. Let's get it on.
$5,000 Ethereum. Well, I mean, I don't know if that's going to happen by the end of May or ever, but Gavin, dude, I really appreciate that because that would be unreal. Okay. The hype would be out of this world. Thanks, dude. So, couple with handle, man. I don't know, man. I get you get the cut part, the handle. It was like an X, A, B, C, D that happened, and it pulled back. It's still making higher lows. So you can't say it's like, oh, wonderful low risk area for long. I mean, maybe you could talk about that is now, right? The old resistance from January is now support February and March. You tested it again just like a week ago or more. To say it's a cut with handles kind of tough. Okay, but see, measuring. I think that if you measured, you know, your target would be like 27, 29, a golden mean ratio, if it's going to actually do what you think it might do. He's just talking about it like this is his idea, all right? I mean, I thought it'd be there. You know, that was the beginning of the cut with handle structure, like that. And then this is the whole handle. So it's just keep making higher lows. Eventually you will see 27, 29. Okay, that's all I can tell you. I don't know about an actual formal structure. It's pretty ugly, you know. It's beautiful uptrend though. Just higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, over and over and over again. What a trend for band. Yes, so this keeps up. 27, 29. Wow, dude. Wow. Are you kidding me? My alert didn't go off on it. But we've been here on Bond, I don't know, days ago, a week ago or something. We're waiting for it to hit the pattern completion zone. It hasn't quite yet. Very close. And the reason maybe why it hasn't yet is because if you look left, there's that high from December 17th of last year that it's held not once but now twice. And divergence will become an argument once you really start losing that momentum again. This is a very interesting chart. Yeah, that means have on the watch list. Bond to the USDC. The Barn Bridge governance token. I'll tell you, dude, this is actually perfect. Yeah, I mean, it's right around that area, man. So this is like potential long entry areas. Yes, on Bond to USDC. Yep, very good. So near the PCZ, it never officially touched it. It was like literally, I don't know, less than 5/10 of a penny, 4/10 of a penny away from hitting the beep, the alert for me. So I knew. So it looks like you're the one, you're alerting me, I guess, right now. So yeah, that's worthy at least posting in charts only. You know. Okay. I wish there was more to talk about. We'll say it bottomed out. Your targets: $74, $89, easy. That's it. Just the same way we would size up another structure we just did early in the stream. Yep. I'll show it. I'll plot it out for you so you can see the price. 77, whatever. It's right there. A, and then C. And then above that, dude, look out. I'm telling you, your third target on Bond would be $180. Yes. I'm not kidding. It's the same thing as cake and bake and GRT. Oh, not GRT, excuse me. CRV and Ocean and others. Same thing. 180 would be your third target. Yeah. Another one's looking good. Yep, not too bad. Yep, didn't stick out too much as like, oh my god, it's so good, it's so incredible. It could be better, but it's not bad. And here are the reasons. All right, here is link, chain link, a request. If this is the bottom, if Bitcoin wants to continue to rise and altcoins are to catch bids with it, then hidden bullish divergence would start becoming a thing. All right, you're back testing the old, very strong resistance, right, from March 3rd, March 8th. March 18th, 19th, right? What was once resistance is now support. You can get that hidden bullish divergence on the MACD histogram argument. If this is it, right? If it's gonna hold as support, but that's wonderful. Now I'm saying it could be better. Why? Because it could have held $35, $36 as support. It didn't. It was just Bitcoin sucked too bad, you know, so it just, it couldn't. The macro weighed too heavily on links. So either way, so bullish still. Still very, very bullish. And once it breaks 35 bucks again, you know, it's probably gonna continue its price discovery. Yeah. That's it. That's Link. It looks good. I mean, like a lot of other coins that are in these nice uptrends, you know, that have been lately outperforming the living crap out of Bitcoin. Yeah, they've been selling off not as bad, not even close to as bad as Bitcoin. Hey, Crypto Chevy, man, thank you so much for joining Patreon, locking in that 130 rate for the rest of time, assuming you just auto renew. Thank you, dude. Remember, rates going up on the 1st. It'll be 150 a month, not 130. So, and that's only for new people. Anyone like this, a current patron will be grandfathered into the 130. Okay, that's what I'm saying. Like if you're a 130 patron and you keep renewing, you will never pay 150. Okay. Link looking fine, man. Now at the same time, on the 4 hour, you are showing a little bit of hidden bearish divergence, maybe, dude. But there was classic bullish divergence beforehand, just like many other coins. You know, you're testing that resistance. You got to break it, man. You haven't yet. So that's like the big area, 35 to 35.75. You break that, you're going $40+ and beyond. Yeah, it looks like a huge impulse up. It's like an A, B. You're working on B, and B is going to complete. And what happens after B? You could imagine C. All right, Link's great. A major uptrend. Down sloping consolidation after a really nice markup, mild, moderate retrace, strong like Ox, okay, strong like Bull. Ox is a crypto, so is Pancake, so is almost anything that exists as a noun as a crypto now. So, what's there not going to be? Soon there will be like lamp coin. There will be, I don't know, coffee mug coin. There will be TV coin. There will be a coin of everything I look at around my room, okay? Picture coin is coming. Verb coins too. Yeah, dude. And the one that's going to trigger me, I'm going to lose my mind. When it coin comes out, IT, vague pronoun coin. Oh yeah, dude, I'm gonna go nuts.
Hey Mitch, could you take a look at NANO/USDT? Thanks.
Yeah, we'll look at Nano Silvio. Thank you, dude. Silvio Dante. Consigliere to Tony Soprano. Is that you? Nice, dude. Nice. I was like, how do you? Like, that's just, yeah, it's a channel. It's like again, down sloping consolidation.
For the fun of it, let's look at Raycoin on FTX.
Raycoin, I like that. All in Raycoin. Just kidding. Thank you. Yes, we will, Matthew. My God. Ethereum 5K, but NMA 50K, dude. I mean, I placed well, I'd already placed my wager long ago on Ethereum. Man, it definitely had added to it this weekend, man. Dude, that outperformance is unreal. It's like, even if it sells off because Bitcoin keeps selling off, we knew where Bitcoin was. It's like, it's not going to keep selling. Bitcoin's just not going to keep selling off forever this same wave. There will be a reaction reversal at some point, and it's happened, you know. And it's been great for Ethereum. Again, it's less than 5% away from its all-time high. Thanks for taking it easy on me today. Yep, I mean, Nano, dude, Nano. Been here before. Wasn't it just like yesterday? Dude, Nano. Yeah, fantastic. Fan-freaking-tastic on Nano. Dude, $14 target. You hear me? $14 is the target on Nano. That's it. Literally it, dude. It's above your old all-time high from February 12th, February 19th. XABCD, divergence down there pretty much. Above the 200 moving average, old resistance, support. This is it, dude. Nano goes, this is $14 target. So we're talking about almost doubling up in price from here, okay? Yeah. Yeah. People get rewarded for watching the stream. Trade setup stuff. Yes. Okay. I always size it up at this point. It's up 14. The problem is, like, all these are up now, like 10, 15, 20%. Okay, so, like, whatever, you know, having a stop, I would think below right here. Man, you could have a stop below that and it'd be good. I don't think you want to see anything lower than the previous wick low at this point anymore. Okay, that's what you're saying. One valley, the reversal or the reaction low to the reversal low, and now you're bouncing, and you just have a stop just below that reversal low, and then that's it, dude. You're going up to freaking again $14. I mean, you could, if you want to, you could go 886. Like that's kind of where the candle close was, you know, if you wanted to be a little bit more reserved. I just don't, something like Nano, I'd be swinging for the fences, not going for that, just going for $14 and then doing this, like second target, like 1414, third target, maybe, just maybe, because of how stupid these market conditions are when it starts going 2618 at like $27. Welcome to crypto, all right? I mean, so the entry, I'm just having it a little bit lower to show you, like, it's tough to ever, it's so almost irresponsible to be like, okay, great time to long when the asset's up 50%. It could go down 7, 8, 10% tomorrow before then going higher. So I don't want you to get, like, a terrible bid on it right now. But, man, the upside potential where this asset is, you got to understand, is so high. It's so good. Price discovery levels on Nano. So I'm going to have it posted like this. Even though it's not exactly at entry, it's a little off. And you may never get back. You may never get to this entry that I have right here. Okay, so I'm just feeling nice today. Okay, so whatever. Great. These are some high quality requests today, chat. I'll tell you. Trend analysis, harmonic pattern. I would say technical indicators because you're back testing the old all-time high not once but twice. That's an indicator, dude. Certainly. Nano is nice. I don't even know. Did I even do? I might have already done a trade setup on this. I can't even remember on this one. I'm drawing a blank on it. Let me see here. Maybe I did. There might not have been enough data yet, though, for me to be able to post it, and that's why I haven't yet. I'd be like, dude, if I was leaving this, I'd be like, right now, yeah, this is it, dude. Wow. Unreal. All right, have your alert set up. This is the only way it could get a little bit better. The only way to be better is if, like, okay, you got two valleys, say like it goes up a little bit more or something, and then you get some sort of like third valley, 717's back tested as support. Oh god, sorry. You get a third valley, and that third valley just happens to back test where traders set up their highest point that first time, February 12th. That gets back tested as support, and then you get three rising valleys at the PCC classic accumulation structure in price discovery areas. Oh, dude, that would be it. And we've seen those before. All right, look at this. Look at this. Okay, you see it in your mind. You made it get two, right? You got a reversal low, reaction low, and a confirmation low. You got two. That's all you need. So it doesn't always go. But just look at this, and then let's look. XLM. XLM was already in an uptrend from the COVID crash, hit the PCZ of the bullish cipher, one valley. 2 valleys, kind of 3 valleys. Okay, that was the entry of the trade setup, and you know, targets were eventually 12 cents, and they eventually hit. It took a minute, you know. Oh god, you know, you never get near stop loss territory. You were fine. Like, I think the entry, yeah, the entry was like at like 7 cents or so. But this is what we're talking about, you know, harmonic structures at those critical areas. You show accumulation, you show Bulkowski patterns that you've learned. That's the ticket, the golden ticket. All right, guess what? On that third low, hidden bullish divergence to boot. Wow, great start. Anyway, and we've had many great looking continuation structures since then, including right now. XLM, look at this. It hit that PCZ of the bullish sharp pattern, violent reaction, confirmation low, very well could have been put in. Yep, confirmation low, so higher, and now it's running, it's up 15.79%. The target is 52 cents. After that, it's like, you know, 58, 60 cents. Okay, XLM, mega bullish trend, only making higher lows. I love all these altcoins in these nice uptrends, and they're going down 88%. Value areas in an uptrend, that is unreal. It's so perfect, dude. All right. Yeah, Nano's amazing. Yeah, dude. Win Nano face tattoo. Well, once it is the targets, okay? Are we cool, chat? Maybe. All right, next one for Matthew D.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
Radium. Oh my god. Excuse me, I burped. My bad. Mere human here. Yeah, I mean, like, it's at critical resistance, right? And above that, prosperity. X, A, B, C, D stuff. So, if we're talking about that, if we're talking about X, A, B, C, D, you got a little way to go, right? It's like a crab. Like a bear's crab idea. Yep. Oh god, 666. Yeah, the crab would be the 1618 up here, Matthew D, right? Talking to PCZ of this potential structure is 1826 on Ray. That would make plenty of sense, right? So much sense. It'd be price discovery. So, yeah, man. At the same time, this is definitely, you got to be careful. It's high risk for someone to long literally right now, since you just had a wave up and you're at you're at the highest level where traders set up of all time on the 4-hour array. It wasn't just like February 23rd. It was also April 10th. So you got to break that. Once you break that, though, I don't think it's got. This is the area. Like, the next one's not going to be probably as big of a deal. I think 1253 is everything on this chart. You break 1253, I think you eventually do see 1826. Okay, on Ray. There you go, Matthew D. Wow, someone's over there just like, you know, literally sawing their concrete. They literally just got a chainsaw. They're just cutting into the concrete, man. Alright, that's it. That's all the requests, man. Easy stream, thanks. Taking it easy on me. Been live an hour and 4 minutes. Time flies when you find incredible looking, beautiful trade setups. Yeah, Brad, the reason why is, you see that dollar sign? That's why. Yep, I'll fix that. Easy fix, man. And thanks for the 1,618 people tuned in. The golden mean ratio of people. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that bell, the sub. We got 450 likes. We can get 500 in seconds. You know that, right? We got 1,000+ likes yesterday, I think. You mean tell me we're getting 1,000 likes on yesterday's stream when Bitcoin closed at its lowest level? You know, and like a month plus, lowest level of the run, and on this immaculate run we've had, this crazy impulse candle up, we can't get 1,000 likes. That's crazy, dude. Why did Elon sell? He sold a marginal amount of his Bitcoin to take profit, right? Netted or grossed $100 million or whatever off of that. I think that's pretty wise. People do that.
Love the show.
Crypto Secret Circle, glad you enjoy the show. And thank you for supporting the show, which you just did. Would you say Bitcoin in the short term? Bitcoin in the short term, 52,172 or 50,336 could be back tested as support before we go higher, right? You just had a crazy run, right? So you could spend tomorrow getting back down to those levels just to say, hey, what was once support, resistance is support again. That nothing wrong with that.
0.00794332 ETH.
Numerous, thank you. Yes.
Noise!
Appreciate the stream. Could we take a look at Pen?
Yeah, Pen Gaming. We'll look at it. Thank you. To look 2LC. Thank you, dude. All right, let's see. What was that? Oh my God, it's an S coin on Uniswap. Oh man. Well, you asked for it. Wait, no. He asked for XOR, not to that. I think there's another one. Wrapped Ether. We can look at this one. Oh, okay. Whoa. Kind of nice how it's bottoming out. Oh, that's a nasty dump, man. Hot a chop there. That's the mega area.
Hey Mitch, can you take a look at Lena/USDT? Thanks for all you do. Best community ever.
Thank you, one. Yep. One. Thank you, dude. Yep. Yes. So how deep? What's the retrace? Dang, man. That's cipher territory, dude. For real, that's nuts, man. Like you just got like this mega cipher, dude. It's too deep though, so it's like
Noise!
too deep
Thoughts on energy?
of a retrace. But either way, not a formal harmonic. That's a value area. That's a perceived value area. So sweat jalapenos. Some nefarious.
Had to give you some lead up for all the great content. Been missing everything in streams thanks to my schedule. Patreon's still great. Love the community. Shout out to Miss Beth for keeping things real.
Thank you, nefarious. Yeah, dude. You could, I mean, like, actually, we screw around here and be like XA, B, C, and it's a deep crab pattern. Man, so it's like 150. That's real, man. So that's like potential reversal area. Yeah. So though we didn't get that, think about the confluence, like a 1618 down there along with the major 886. I'm not sure I would call this a trade setup per se. I've never seen this in my life. It's wrapped ether. But I do know that this is where smart money would be acquiring position if it was anything that made sense. And look at that. That divergence convergence is really nice too on the MACD. It's not bad. Not bad. And I think your target would be 34 or 3, whatever that number is. I still have not figured out how to articulate wrapped ways. You know, is it like someone want to help me out with that? I just look at charts, okay? Simple TA, man. Not the decipherer of wrapped ethers. Sorry, we gotta get rid of the moaning. Not big on people moaning in music, you know. So yeah, this is definitely an area where a reversal could occur, and I would think that whatever that number is the target. 34 whatevers, wrapped waves, and then 39 whatevers, which is the old all-time high from August 10th. Okay. Mother of God, dude. Good God. What a request. I just extended this out. I had to just pull it out a lot more data. Look where it hit pin in this uptrend that's been going on since, you know, over a year, 13 months. Demand line being tested. Oh my God, pin gaming at the demand line showing tremendous amount of beautiful bullish divergence on the MACD histogram. Beautiful right there. X marks the spot. So that could be a signal. I'm not sure we have anything else though. We don't have any sort of like Bukowski structure. I don't think any kind of formal harmonic or anything. Unless you're like, if you use that as an anchor point on, let's see the daily. And I like how you could be arguing maybe divergence, bullish divergence on the daily too. Yeah, that's a visible, look at this. It's a visible valley, so it looks like a shark could be real. 886, sweet mother of God, dude. So you got bullish divergence on the daily and the 4 hour at a demand line at the PCZ of a bullish shark. Dude, pin. What's going on? This is these are some great requests, dude. Value perceived area. Now, you never back tested the $76 area. That probably would be best. You think about a shark, right? A shark can see 113% retrace, which is almost confluent with that old high. So you have to understand that sharks are not as easy as like Gartley's or Cyphers, where they're just one PCZ. This is like either or. It could be an 886 or 113, and both kind of make sense, right? For your argument, right? Where one's at a demand line, the other one would be at a critical ice line that's never been back tested. So, right, those are things as a trader you have to think about. And so, do you think that this is good enough on the MACD?
Hey bro,
The 4 hour and the daily both showing it could be. This could be it.
Market buying and selling. So hard to predict what comes next. It's a money wrecking washing machine, straight up, straight down, as you often say. Cheers, bro.
Bitcoin dumps and pumps manipulated or genuine market buying and selling? I mean, like, it's genuine. Yeah, there's a lot of genuine buying and selling. We know for a fact. We know Elon Musk and Tesla literally took some profit at 52K on Bitcoin, right? Someone was selling, and we know who it was, right? I mean, it was happening literally for like 10, 11, 12 days straight. Tons of selling would be coming in when Asia was waking up, and tons of selling would be going on when the London session would open around like 2 a.m. Eastern time. And that's like the afternoon for Asia. So, I mean, yeah, there was definitely selling, but manipulated? Sure, it's manipulated. But at the same time, TA does get respected, even though price gets manipulated. Sometimes the price gets manipulated to respect the TA. Anyway. I'll tell you, dude. I'll tell you on Pin Gaming, this is not bad. This is... Well, what the... What just happened? God, I can't catch a break. What is it doing? Chad, you see this? My channel's going nuts. I might be in the Bermuda Triangle of charting right now. Do you see that? Anyway. So this is definitely a potential entry area, man. Alright? You don't even want to be ignoring Pin. It's so educational. If you don't take any action on it, you're watching the stream. You're not watching this stream for bullcrap. just to be entertained. You're watching the stream to invest in yourself, to get a little better, to learn a little bit more about the world of charting and technical analysis, right? So I would say, like, hey man, this was awesome. Even if you don't take a long on it, right? You're at the reaction. So you might get a reaction and then the reversal low, right? Nice request today. Okay, Lena requested. We would have to use this anchor point if we're looking for a harmonic here. Man, this one was awful. This one just like wasn't very good, and then it got caught up in all the selling on Bitcoin. So we look as it might not be anything. We'll see. It could be something. You know, we're talking about like XA. Let's try this XAB. That's good. Yeah, that's actually really good. And then you go down here. It's not deep enough, right? I mean, this is like another one that's just not able to hit the 1618. The real pattern completion, it's hitting the 1414. In situations like this, it's like it is the 1618, you know, and it didn't happen yet. So the old downsloping demand line is now being regarded as support, which is kind of, it felt like it was support, support, support. Fell below it and sprung, and now it's kind of support again. A hidden bearish divergence is very real right now, like a high and then the much lower high with much higher levels of positive momentum. So this is one where, yeah, maybe it does reverse here and rallies. There are so many better assets out there than this one, like just based on everything. We know it has not technically hit that 1618 yet. It hasn't. It didn't hit it. I mean, the rules, right? It didn't hit it, and it's showing hidden bearish divergence, and it's not making higher lows. You know how many other assets out there are making higher lows. We looked at XLM, right? We looked at XRP. We looked at all these other ones: Cardano, BAT, Tezos. They're all making Litecoin. They're all making higher lows. This one's making lower lows. The most recent event was the lowest level in its history. So I mean, like, yeah, you could place your bet on this one. Why put your bet on this one when there's all these other ones, right? You wouldn't, right? You literally be like, oh, no, I wouldn't. I would not put my money on this one over all the other ones that we've been looking at that are showing just accumulation and long-term sustained uptrends. Yeah. So good luck on Lena, but whatever, dude. Dude, we got some more mooning going on. I gotta stop the mooning, dude. Oh my god, I've been here before. I have memory of this place. But the memory now is ungodly. This is stupid, chat. This is stupid. Now, it's not the lowest risk entry area, but you want to see a specimen here? You want to see a momentum shifting structure larger than your face? Just kidding. It's a multi-year structure. Left shoulder, head, and of course, a higher low right shoulder, which is technically stronger. Yes. The neckline's 53.26. Yeah, but the thing is, you had $60 and $65. You got a break. But the Energizer Bunny right here, dude. If we're talking like measure move of this really large multi-year structure, we're talking about, man, woman, alien. We're talking about a measured move of all-time highs that would take ye to 79.72. How about that, man? Wow. The requests are too dang good today. Too good of charts. You know why I'm wearing a pink shirt, right? Tonight is the pink supermoon. Supermoon because the moon is it's closer to the earth than normal full moons, so that's why it's a supermoon. Pink, so I thought that'd be cute. No one even picked up on that, did they? No, they didn't. Easter eggs everywhere. So you would think, theoretically, when we have full moons, that's when human emotionalism is at its highest point. Hence, maybe that big reaction we got on Bitcoin, all-time highs on stocks. Whatever. A good contrast for my tan? Oh, no, not at all. This is like, unfortunately, I am almost the same tint as this shirt, so it's, a teal shirt is a contrast to this. I think that's it, man. That's all the requests. Good. I've been live an hour and a half, roughly. If you're enjoying the live stream and these amazing trade setup opportunities, hit the like button, the bell, itself. That's why we're here. Right? Education and actual real setups. So good. Down 1% today, but this would be a position trade. The best entry ever would be like $42. You're not going to get that again, most likely. You pull back, you just make a higher low than $42. Oh God, it's going to be unreal. It's beautiful. You do have to understand $60, $65 are going to be areas of potential reversal. So it may like run up and then sell off and back test $53 as support, and this could take like months. This could literally take months to play out. So 2.37 yield dividend. So it's at least it's paid as a dividend, I guess. That's cool. Yeah, Brad saw that. Definitely gave him Jesus chimes earlier. Wow, dude, we're like 6 likes from 700. We could do that, I think. All right. More Bitcoin, man. The cipher. It's the cipher. Hitting the PCC, exactly it, man. And then reacting. What a nice reaction. Beautiful technical recovery. That's definitely a technical recovery where you're back above not just a psychological 50K, but the actual real created low from March 25th and the very real high support resistance from February 2017 or February 17th, February 25th, March 3rd, April 18th, right? April 22nd. You're above those. Extremely powerful stuff. So reaction, you might get a confirmation low eventually, but it might be back testing 50,300 or 52,172. The longer you stay above 52,172, the higher the probability is you're going to see $55,000. That's it, man. Like, for real. That's like pretty much the price action you get between 50,000 and 50. I'm sorry, not even really 55. It's actually 58. Excuse me. I mean, like above $52,000. The target is that next high from February 21st. That's it, right? So you chop around whatever, but eventually 58K at these levels. Beautiful. All right, man. What a stream. Okay. So 27 minutes to your daily candle close. It'll be a mega bullish engulfing candle, not just on Bitcoin, but many other altcoins. And total itself, total being at what you would see on a channel, being at a very critical demand line, holding that. What a statement candle, right?
Hey Mitch, with all your experience, when are the altcoins going
Is that
to
a joint?
decouple from Bitcoin? This week? Thanks, bro.
Some have already decoupled. Ethereum already decoupled from Bitcoin. That's undeniable. Chat, would you back me up on that?
This isn't
Ethereum
about
has
anything
decoupled.
specific. I'm curious about this company. How about we glance at
A lot have already
Trade
decoupled.
Technologies?
Nano, like we just talked about, Nano just back tested its old all-time highs as support. Bitcoin's still like 20% away from its old all-time highs. I mean, you have to think that in a lot of ways there has been a decoupling that has occurred. So, whoa, I just got hit with a couple requests. Pink Mooner.
Is that a joint?
Sorry. You know, you look at the altcoin
Just donating
to be
donate at this
BTC
point.
pairs.
So, Patreon, if our grandfathered rate is paid for the year, will it be for the 130 or our original 100, or will it be the 150 after May?
Brad can answer that,
Real
but I don't
middle
know.
here, Pink.
That's a great
Looks
question.
good, man.
Brad, want to weigh in on that one? He knows. Christian Slater would know. Find out. Stand by. He may not be around. I don't know. Does someone know with experience? Like, we have like almost 100 annual patrons now, so there are people out there that know. Okay. Travis B says he's not sure alt cycle qualifies decoupling. Decoupling is, that can happen anytime. Passing correlations, right? Passing decoupling, coupling. Like, things can sync back up and then they unsync, right? I mean, so that's the way I would look at it. Like, I think you're going to have moments forever where all these coins react to Bitcoin at certain points. And then sometimes they're not going to react as bad. So no one answered. I don't know about the whole annual thing. I think it's like, if you are grandfathered into the $100 rate, I'm pretty sure you get grandfathered in on your annual. But I think it's like, if you're on that one, it's not worth it. You should just keep paying $100 a month. But then someone's like, whatever. I don't know. No clue, man. It's so infinitesimal of dollar amounts, right? If you're gonna join annually as a patron, you know it's worth it. You know, like, that question doesn't even matter, right? Oh, like $20, you know, a few dollars here and there difference. Like, really?
Noise!
Can we do turtle coin TRTL?
That depends. Could you answer a question? I think you know what it's gonna be. Do you like turtles?
I like turtles.
Okay, yeah, we'll look at it. Sure, thanks, dude, for the 26 and change super chat. Yep. Turtles. Wrapped ether, I guess. Oh god, can't look at that one. To BTC. Yeah, look at a BTC. Oh man, this could be harmonic stuff going on right now. Like a Gartley. It looks like a Gartley, right? Just eyeballing it. No, maybe it's not a Gartley. Oh my god, it is a Gartley. It's a Bartley, right? It's a mix between a bat and a Gartley, and that's okay. I love this one because the 786, you couldn't go back test the old level of support. This is beautiful, right? Because now it's like you got the reaction at the 786, definitely. I think it might be too liquid right now to, you know, like use the oscillator. It's kind of like, what? Look how scuffed it is, man. I don't even, it's weird. They look all janked up. So you got the reaction. You know, you could always get a confirmation low before it goes to moon. And typically on an asset, you would want to see divergence or something on that second low. Yeah, you only got the reaction. But sometimes all that happens is you just get a reaction, that's it. So your target's eventually on total to BTC. $148 Satoshis and 185 totals. I mean Satoshis. So nice. I mean that's a real Gartley, man. Like that's a B is a 618, a golden retrace. C is fine. 618 as well. And then look, a 786 confluent with a 1414 right there. X marks the spot. The reaction. Now you're above that 200 moving average, holding it. But again, it would be most prudent to get an actual confirmation low. That's what you always want. You don't know on the first one. You literally have no idea. That's why you want to see the second one. Traders know on the second one, right? So that's where we are. Nice. Totals to BTC, all right? Okay. Just gonna add. I'll post it. It's for educational purposes, man. Be sure to join the Discord if you haven't either. Can you imagine, dude, the monster that is Total will outperform Bitcoin? That's what is soon to be implied on this chart, right? It's a new world order of totals. There's the Discord link, okay. Join it or be destroyed. Yeah, dude, still, like, we're just, like, so close to 13K, man. I don't know how we can't get in the teens. Follow my Instagram, Twitter if you haven't. Do it.
Actually, 100 to 130 isn't as a $360, which on the long term isn't too bad, but when you get to 150 that's a 30% increase to 1800 versus 1200. Better to keep paying monthly. Just keep fretting over it every month, lol.
There you go, man. Brad said to PM him. He's going to get a haircut. So if you want to know, and again, like, I'm just speculating. I think he actually knows. So just hit him up and see if you really want to know. All right. Hey, we got some people joining the Discord. Where y'all been, man? All y'all that just joined Discord. What y'all been doing, man?
Noise! Please look at Bart as it drinks the blood of turtles.
Does it, Mr. Churchman? Turtles getting wrecked by bots. Blue hats. Oh my god. No volume. Doesn't meet the volume minimum criteria. Unfortunately. Well, see those wicks, man, make it like really tough. How do I determine what the swing high is for harmonic? You can't really. So it sucks. And maybe you're at some sort of harmonic PCZ. I don't know. Let's see. How do I anchor? You know, how do you anchor from this scam wick high? That's a 786, I guess. All right. Yeah, if you anchor like that, it's not a 786. So because of the low volume on it, it's hard for me to do anything with it. You need a million volume minimum. I don't really see it back testing any sort of formal support right now. You're just getting a reaction. There's no bullish divergence. There's no edge. So on bat. Bat is just Nope, 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 nope. Even though it could reverse right now, it's a coin flip. Okay. No, thank you. Too low volume. No bullish divergence on the 4-hour. No formal support is back testing. May or may not be too deep or not deep enough. Oscillators, yeah, maybe it's divergence, and definitely not on the RSI. So, argument's just not that great, you know, right now at this current time. Sorry. Don't get mad at me, man. Bitcoin Cash broke out, if you don't remember. Bitcoin Cash, what was once, Chad, do you understand me? What was once a resistance on Bitcoin Cash is now support, like a couple times. That's the backup. I think that's the backup. We're talking 1209 target and beyond. 1768 eventually. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Yes. Now, need to break 852, 874. Yes, I know. Gotta go back to yesteryear for that. I get it. Once that breaks, man, straight lines down, up, down, up, down. I'm telling you, dude, it's just the beginning for Bitcoin Cash. Patience will pay on this one, as it already has. So, anyway, ethereum, BCH, Kings, and others too. What happened to my stream, man? Is it back? I didn't lose any kilobytes, so that's weird. We're good. Well, it makes sense. I was about to get out of here anyway, right? Been live an hour, 40 minutes. Thanks for the 809 likes, man. I mean, we got enough people for 1,000 likes, but Trevor, you're right. Yeah, it's coming, dude. That will be banned, okay, this evening. That one will be banned. What's so insane, dude? Like, if this bullish engulfing candle plays out, you have to understand, on total, we have a new argument developing that could be unreal. Be like stupidly bullish, too stupid of bullishness of divergence. Hidden bullish divergence argument is now beginning to develop. Not just on one oscillator, but yes, both. Well, the ones I use, the MACD histogram and the relative strength index. That so we just keep this up, right? And how do we do that? This is all going to become valid as long as total does not close below 1.78 trillion in the coming, week or wherever, right? That's where it's all over for this idea and this argument. But man, very, very powerful engulfing candle. We've seen those before, right? Power engulfing candles turn into what? Markups. Look, another engulfing candle. What happens? Nice markups. Engulfing candle, markup. Engulfing candle, markup. So it's not the first nice engulfing candle after a drawdown we've seen. Just in this channel itself. One here, another here, and now maybe third time's a charm on that demand line. Alright, got this hidden divergence that would strengthen that argument. My god, dude. Sky's the limit. $2.5 trillion market cap. If this plays out. $13 minutes till your daily close. 860 likes, meh. Looks like the momentum, we got some bearish divergence on the likes now, right? Well, it's like the more I focus, it's weird, right? The more I focus on the content and providing quality technical analysis, the less likes I get. So, if you don't want me doing like, we almost hit 1,000 likes, man, late in the stream like this, well, it's like, just hit the like before I start talking about it, Nah, YouTube likes are not broken anymore. That was an April 12th thing. It was like, 5-6 days of it, and they fixed it. There you go, dude. Yeah, now we're less than 1,000 away, and Bitcoin's got 12 minutes left, and it's wow, old and strong, man. No chopped onions. God, man. Why? What a joke. Sorry, I'm dealing with Shipt right now. You know, the grocery store peoples. Blake Austin, plenty of people know what I'm talking about. I'm sorry you don't. If you invested in yourself, you certainly know exactly what I'm talking about. It's like someone showing up to a stream and someone speaking a different language, and they're like, because no one knows you're talking. It's like, no, people that have learned how to read the language certainly know how to read it, right? Yeah. $10 minutes, should I run out the clock and hold the line, or just get out of here now? I mean, we're good. It was a great stream, productive. I think there were some very quality, high quality requests. Very proud of that. You did a great job, contributors. We run out the clock, man. When Marbazu, not today. Not today, man. Wait, was that requested? I don't think so. I don't think I missed any. No, there were not enough requests for me to miss anything today. T-Rad, yes. Yes. No, I'm just reading chat. Kind of not much going on there, that's for sure. Okay, so thanks for coming out. Appreciate it to the likes, love, support, contributions, the new patrons, the annual patrons who have joined. Y'all are amazing, supporting the stream, this community. Let's see how the new day goes after just an immaculate, incredible statement, bullish engulfing candle at a 78% retrace pattern completion zone of a bullish cipher, major one. So, when do I end requests? I mean,
when do you like
when the stream's like going like 2 hours in, hour 50, hour 30 minutes in, it's kind of like you should probably want to get your requests in during the stream when it's like normal time, not like, oh, he's been live an hour and a half, 2 hours. That's normally how long I stream, hour and a half, 2 hours, right? That's it. Yeah, we're less than 50 likes away from 1,000. So that's good, I guess. Do it for the pink moon. The super moon tonight. Emotionalism. Human emotionalism at its highest point right now. Like, you don't even know it, but we evolved with the moon doing that. So subconsciously, we're all freaking out a little bit more than we normally would. You can't feel it. Wow, dude, 20 likes. Dude, is this thing really going? Bitcoin's still just 54K, man. It's so strong. Oh my God, dude. So
Gordon tipped $24.24. Thanks for streaming, Mitch. Sorry, I'm sneaking this in late. Can you look at EOS?
Yeah, you are. This is really late, dude. That's like... yeah, EOS, if you prefer. Sure, up 18% today. Falling ish wedge. Broke the supply line no matter what. It had the same variables as everything else, man. You know. I mean, it's great. Anything above 530 is amazing for EOS, right? So the target on EOS is certainly like 666, 680, right? That's probably where it's headed to off of this. And, you know, you come and back test 530 or whatever. Back test it, hold it, make that higher low, and then you go to 680. But that's really the target, and, you know, it lines up with Fibonacci too. High to low. Yeah, I mean, like a 618, 717. I think if you break 680, you're going straight up to 858. That's your EOS. That's it. There's nothing more to talk about. It looks like a lot of other coins. It's not too bad. Also, the same time, right? Same time. Mega harmonic stuff, right? Like a major low down there. But we just be sharkish. Well, I mean, it doesn't. There's no criteria on B on a shark. Even this 24% retrace. Here, would it be too deep? Probably too deep. Yeah, way too deep there. Oh, we could do, it's like bat stuff. So the XA, B, yep, C, and then D. Never got to the 886, right? Never got down to that PCZ if we're looking at it like that. But it did get to the 786, reverse the 786. So, again, so it's just like value areas. Like, so you just don't think about it. It's like, oh, it's an actual harmonic or anything formally. It's 786 from its previous low. So value perceived, there's a 78% sale on EOS. Perfect, man. So at that point, right, a reversal is going to occur. And it's occurring.
$25. Can you please do a VChain update? Much appreciated. Sorry, just got caught up on stream.
What's up, JR? Sure. Yep. VChain doing things. It's not really. I mean, like, remember we had some triangle, it almost did the measure move. And it, really tough to be like, where's the XABCD? Where would you anchor? It looks like a lot, but I don't know. It's above test the 200 moving average, still holding up. It's below 20 cents. This is one where, yeah, it could keep going. It could rally. I just think there are so many other opportunities out there over VChain, because VChain had its stupid run. This correction, who knows? I mean, attempted rally, make a lower high, and then continue that correction. Still making higher lows though, you know, than these previous lows. It's all good, but the retrace really wasn't that deep. And I just think that, for me, from scanning all day, better opportunities than VChain. That's just me though. Better opportunities than Lena, right? That's just me though. Okay, get above 20 cents, you get a 25 cents, right? You're in crazy land now. You're in remember, it's all psychological stuff now. There is no more ice lines looking left at all. So there you go, JR. Sorry, I wish it could be more help, I guess. But nice bullish engulfing candle occurring. There's no real formal support it's testing. That's what I'm saying, right? You can't be strategic on something like this. You just can't. There's no, you know, if the engulfing catches bids and you don't ever get a daily close below 16.8 cents, eventually you'll start losing your negative momentum. Then you can start making the argument for hidden bullish divergence, but it's still way too early. So on this one, hey, that's great and all. but there are many assets making engulfing candles at much better areas of value where you can be a lot more strategic with your entry and your stop loss. That's it. That's so VeChain, whatever. VeChain doing things, but you get it. You get what I'm saying. What an engulfing, man. Powerful stuff. 2 minutes. Wow, y'all got me. Y'all kept me around for the local on the 8s. All right, Pink Moon stream, Tesla earnings stream, Bitcoin reversal stream, altcoins as well. Good song. Where we got 1 minute, 15 seconds. We got 1,000 likes, so Jesus chimes for that. Really appreciate 1,000 likes, y'all. And let's do Lyra Jenkins. Why not? Thank y'all. Less than 1 minute. What a strong candle of indecision. 30 seconds. Supply line broken. PCC hit once, kind of twice. Bullish divergence. In the end, it did play out. We thought we might be going down to get triple divergence. It didn't happen. Too much buying came in literally right at 786. And the February 28th low. It's incredible. It's like, oh, it's so good. Three, 2, 1. More Jesus challenge for the new day. New day has been born. A huge, amazing, bullish engulfing candle. After incessant selling, here it is at the demand line on totals. What's up, crypto dude? Thanks for the 10. I'll let it play and then I'll ride out. Well, that was it. It was run out of the clock situation. Why is it not? There we go.
Thanks for putting in the yacht on the TA tonight, Mitch.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support, everyone. Y'all are amazing. I'm serious, man. I'm seriously grateful for this community. It is like, you know, just didn't know there were so many amazing people out there that cared about the same thing I cared about. So it is a blessing and an honor every day to get to hang out with y'all and just discuss things around these charts. Okay. So I'll be back. Until next time, respect the TA.
Around you. Let yourself go. It's all about the rhythm. Look around you. Let yourself go. It's all about the rhythm.
Gentlemen in the mix.
See what happens, Larry?
Someone said my H-bar call was trash when the entry was literally like 29 cents and the asset ran up literally to 41 cents. Someone's like, trash call on H-bar. Trash call on H-bar. The asset appreciated in value 40% in 6 days from the entry when that call, he calls it a call, happened. 40% appreciation. Frankie, you literally too low IQ to trade, man. Just quit, dude. Give it up.
take control. Let the groove take control. Let the groove take control. Let the groove take control.
Gentlemen in the mix.
Come back. My name is JP. I'm a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
And then, just like that,
Adios, turd nuggets.